Pharmaceutical Engineering Lab. The paper code is PT397. Now, the title of the experiment is Study the effect of concentration on rate of filtration. Now, first of all, we have to know what is filtration. Filtration is nothing but the method or technique by which insoluble suspended particles from a colloidal system can be separated by means of filter media. From Darcy's equation, we know that V, that is rate of filtration, equals to Ka del P by eta L. Now, K is the permeability constant, A is the surface area of filtration, and del P is the pressure drop. Eta is viscosity of the colloid or suspension, and L is the length of capillary. Therefore, rate of filtration is inversely proportional to the concentration of the suspension. Now, what are the practical requirements? Measuring cylinder, this is the Buchner funnel, this is the beaker, this is filter paper, calcium carbonate, conical flask, distilled water and balance. Now, the procedure. We have prepared 3 different concentration of calcium carbonate suspension. This is 2% W by V and this is 3% W by V suspension. This is 4% W by V calcium carbonate suspension. Now, how to prepare these type of suspension? For 2% W by V suspension, we have measured 2 gram of calcium carbonate by using a digital balance. Then put sufficient amount of distilled water to make the volume 100 ml. Similarly, we have prepared 3% W by V calcium carbonate suspension and 4% W by V calcium carbonate suspension. Now, we have set up a conical flask and a Buchner funnel on it, then a filter paper on the Buchner funnel. Initially, we have put 2% W by V suspension on the Buchner funnel, and at the same time the stopwatch is on for counting the time. The process is going on, the filtrate is coming down, and the suspended particle stuck over the filter paper. The filtrate is coming down slowly and slowly. Now the volume of filtrate is measured by using a measuring cylinder. Now the filtrate is collected here and it is about 22 ml. It is about 22 ml, and time required for this amount of filtrate is 1 minute 40 second. Now we can calculate the rate of filtration. Rate of filtration equals to volume of filtrate divided by time. Now we have found that volume of filtrate collected on the conical flask is 22 ml, and time required for this much of filtrate is 1 minute 40 second. 1 minute 40 second equals to 100 second. So 22 ml divided by 100 second equals to 0.22 ml per second. This is the rate of filtration. We can calculate another two reading, that is for each concentration we have to find three different reading, then we can average the rate of filtration for each concentration.
পরিষ্কার পড়ছে তো?
Next part of the experiment is results. This is the table of calculation of rate of filtration. This table consisting of serial number, concentration W by V, volume of filtrate, time in second, rate of filtration ml per second, average rate of filtration in ml per second. For each concentration, triplicate readings are taken, and column 3 shows the different volume of the filtrate at different time, and column 4 indicates the different time in second taken for collecting the specific amount of the filtrate. Column 5 shows the rate of filtration, which is calculated by using formula rate of filtration equals to volume of filtrate divided by time in second, and average rate of filtration are shown in column number 6. From these results, we have plot a graph taking concentration in concentration percentage W by V in x-axis and average rate of filtration ml per second in y-axis. This graph indicates that the rate of filtration is higher in case of lower concentration and rate of filtration is lower in case of higher concentration of the slurry.